Hi, David McIntosh, ear, nose and throat doctor. Got a serious topic to talk about today. It's snoring. But it's not the snoring that bothers and annoys your bed partner at night or disturbs your sleep. It's snoring that comes on relatively quickly, maybe even all of a sudden. You see, snoring is a noise that's made because there's a blockage to the airflow. And one of the potential causes of this blockage can be a tumour. There are plenty of ear, nose and throat doctors out there that have experience with seeing people that turn up for assessment for snoring, and they end up actually having something growing inside their throat. Now, of course, this is an unfortunate outcome with regards to the patients involved, but what's more important is actually identifying the cause of snoring. Snoring is not necessarily due to problems with the tonsils or the tongue or being overweight. It can be due to quite sinister causes. Now, fortunately, an ear, nose and throat doctor can have a very quick look with the telescope and clarify what's going on, and if need be, organise some special x-rays as well. The point of this video is not to scare people, it's really just to educate. It's really important to understand that snoring is a noise that's made because there's a problem with the breathing, and it's really important to find the cause. The best way to find the cause is to get an ear, nose and throat doctor to have a look. Have a good day.